good, YouTube? We're hiding undercover right now for a little bit. We're on the pedal bike today, but yeah, just waiting for it to stop raining a little bit. It started pouring down rain, but as you can see, that blue sky seems to be coming over here, man. So wheelies. It's still raining just a bit, but that's okay. Yeah. In the corner. Oh, my finger's wet. Got a hole in my glove. Yeah. And then bend this. I want to get Deathspins, man. I've successfully done like maybe 3 or 4 Deathspins. I'm really trying to get that trick actually solid. I'm out of breath, man. It's raining again. Whew. I had to duck that tree. She's still raining hella bad. Control, man. Oh, I'm in 4th gear, so I really had to pedal hard for that. Oh, wow. It's really raining. Hey, I'm gonna probably strip this whole thing down and repaint it and just do a lot of things to it. New bottom bracket, probably new headset and stuff. It's all real old, kind of rusty. I've just been kind of pushing it. Excuse me, I'm still sick. But yeah, let me know what color I should do, man. I was thinking like an army green and then do like white accents, but I really don't know. Drop a comment if you got any sort of idea or any tips for doing it or just anything like that, man. Hit the comment section for me. I need to do something. It's just like a little rusty. I'm trying to strip it all bare bones, deal with any rust issues, repaint it super nice. I could always just do like a gray or something and then just go gray, black, and gold, stick with the current theme, or keep it raw, just clear coat it or something. I don't know, guys, let me know. Yeah. Let's see this. Get a leg over now. Oh, grab the brake hella hard. Come on. How do people do death spins? How did I ever do any successful death spins? Because I actually did a few. Like when I really worked on them, I could do them a little bit. Not anymore. I'm starting to get real warm trying these over and over again. Ow! That water hit me right in the eyeball. Oh, come on. Oh! Oh, I dropped it right after, but that's the best I've done in a while. Oh! Yeah, man, I'm hyped. What the heck? Come on. That's like a 180, but I need to spin it after I drag my foot. I tried like a million times more, and I just can't get another one. I think I'm gonna give up for today. I'm getting really wet. Alright YouTube, the GoPro battery is almost dead. I'm very tired. My butt is soaked because of just riding around in the wet. Your tire slings it all up. My face and head is wet from my front tire slinging it up. Yeah man, I'm just tired. I hope you enjoyed the video though. Just working on a few things, trying to get out here on the pedal bike, clear my lungs a little bit. But yeah, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment about the paint job if you want, or a video. I don't know, just do something, man. Do something in the comments, the likes, the subscribe, click some buttons, man. Gone.